Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman.
Hi guys, I'm Ace Guzman, and we are the creators of Diamond Coaching, and we're also top internet marketers, where we teach you how to get results in your online business and create a lifestyle business today.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners. So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when we go live or create valuable content just like this for you. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is when you're actually making money online as an affiliate and you're brand new, you need to make sure that you focus on one thing and one thing only, and that's list building.
Yes.
List building is an essential key skill set for you to grow your business online. Too many people really don't focus on this, and they expect to create fast dollars by just, creating a video on YouTube, for example, or, having a Facebook profile and everything. But what good is to have a Facebook and a YouTube if you don't even know how to generate leads, right? So the key essential ingredient to success with affiliate marketing is to always make sure that you're focusing on generating leads for people to put their emails in that page.
Yes, exactly. You have to learn list building. That is a key essential skill set when it comes to digital marketing.
Yeah, and when it comes to list building, guys, there's many ways of list building. Like I said, you got YouTube, you have Facebook, you can run solo ads, you can actually create YouTube ads as well. You can also create Twitter ads, and pretty much there's many different platforms out there that you can use to generate leads on complete autopilot. But here's my recommendation for you. Unfortunately, too many people try to do too many things at once, and they get stuck and they feel overwhelmed and they don't even know where to start, right?
Exactly.
So here's what I recommend. Make sure you focus on one activity. So if you like to use YouTube, focus on learning YouTube only. That way you can start generating leads with YouTube and understand how the platform works. If you're trying to learn all these different platforms at once, you're going to get overwhelmed, you're going to get confused, and you're going to run out of time, and nothing is ever going to get done. Because the goal as an affiliate marketer is to build your own list, to build your own audience, so you know who to sell to. And the reality is, if you try to sell to everyone, what happens? You sell to no one. All right? So guys, just a quick video I wanted to shoot for you today. My name is Rich Guzman.
And my name is Ace Guzman.
All right, you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to click on the link below this video where we can send you free information on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Have a great day. Bye now.
Bye now.